Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. And I've heard you in the comments. A lot of people are looking for part-time weekend work because you already have a full-time job and you're trying to supplement that. So that is what we have today. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet and bringing you the best work from home jobs available on a daily basis. And I always have all of the jobs that I share linked in the description box below. So not only is this job perfect for those of you looking for part-time weekend work, but it's also perfect of those who don't have any experience but want to get into the work from home field. If you are willing to work weekends only, then this is for you. The company Conduent is hiring a part-time customer service representative to work from home. This is remote for my United States folks only. Now they do pay $16 an hour and they offer paid training. Training is 1.5 weeks long. Now you will have to be able to work the training hours for the week and a half. It is from 8 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. So like third shift throughout the night is when you'll be training. So it does not interfere if you already have a daytime job, although you may be a little sleepy until you get through training. Now, once you get through the week and a half of training, the actual work production schedule is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday only, all weekdays off. So you can work a daytime job Monday through Friday, and then you can work this Saturday and Sunday, and this is a daytime also. So you can still have your Saturday and Sunday evenings to go out to dinner with your family. So this is perfect for those of you who want to supplement and have additional income. Now, for their customer service reps, they're looking for someone who can assess calls to provide service immediately, be transferred, or require follow-up for client resolution, identify customer needs by referring to case notes and examining each one for a specific case, perform routine call center activities concerning business products and services, use standard scripts and established guidelines, provide customers with information that is specialized, and communicate in a warm and empathetic manner, gathering all necessary information and explaining company policies to customers. So that is what you'll be doing. But as far as what they're looking for someone who has the ability to perform in an analytical and operational process. This is an entry-level position, so there's limited requirements. You don't need any licensing, training, or certificate. They do want someone who can apply experience and skills to complete assigned work and follow procedures and practices. So being able to follow directions, you need to be able to work with a close degree of supervision. Now you do need to have a basic skill set of processes, procedures, and systems and how to follow those. So this is basically just following directions. It says have the ability to problem solve and be self-guided and evaluate issue and solutions for outcomes. So you just really need to have some thinking skills and be able to follow directions. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.